Did you know that the way you eat at night can be the key to prolonging your life and improving your health? Eating less at night can be more powerful than you imagine. Recent studies show that reducing the amount of food consumed at night can help control weight, improve digestion, and even increase longevity. But how does this work? Let's find out together. Today, we'll explore how eating less at night can be one of the greatest allies for your health and well-being, directly impacting your quality of life and longevity. You'll learn how this simple adjustment to your eating habits can make a huge difference to your body, your metabolism, and even your long-term health. So, if you want to know how to make this change to improve your life, keep watching and discover the power of eating less at night. In modern life, many people have adopted the habit of eating more at night, whether for convenience, routine, or even emotional reasons. However, the impact of eating too late or consuming heavy meals at night can be more profound than we imagine. This seemingly harmless habit may be harming your health, affecting your metabolism, and even compromising your quality of life. Overeating at night has been associated with a number of problems, such as an increased risk of chronic diseases, weight gain, sleep disorders, and digestive issues. Often, this occurs because metabolism slows down as the day progresses and the body prepares for rest, making the digestion of a large meal at night more difficult. This can result in digestive discomfort and a restless night's sleep, as well as contributing to the accumulation of fat in the body. On the other hand, reducing the amount of food consumed at night can bring significant health benefits, as well as being a simple and effective way to improve your well-being. Eating less at night can allow your body more time to process food, avoiding excess calories and providing more restorative rest. This not only helps maintain a healthy weight, but can also have a positive impact on your metabolic and digestive health, and even longevity. Eating less at night is related to more balanced eating habits that respect the body's natural cycle. Our bodies function more efficiently when we are aligned with our biological rhythms. And that's exactly what we're going to explore in this video. How a simple adjustment to nighttime eating can improve your health in a practical and sustainable way, and why this habit can be one of the greatest allies for those seeking a longer and healthier life. To understand why eating less at night can prolong your life, it's essential to understand how the body works during the night and how it handles the food consumed during this period. During the day, our metabolism is faster, using the energy from food to perform daily activities. However, at night, the situation changes. As the day comes to an end, the body begins to prepare for rest and the process of cellular repair. This means that at night, metabolism slows down, making it more difficult for the body to digest large meals. During digestion, our body needs energy and time to process food and convert it into nutrients. However, when we consume a heavy or excessive meal at night, the body finds it difficult to handle that amount of food while still needing to rest. Instead of using the energy to recover and repair tissues, the body becomes overwhelmed with digestion. This can interfere with sleep quality, resulting in poor sleep and less time for cell regeneration, which impairs the body's recovery and balance process. Furthermore, eating too much at night can affect the production of hormones essential for our well-being. Insulin, for example, is a hormone produced by the pancreas to regulate blood sugar levels. When we eat, the body releases insulin to process the glucose and carbohydrates from the meal. If food intake is large and occurs close to bedtime, the body may release an excessive amount of insulin, which can lead to glucose spikes and insulin resistance over time. This increases the risk of diseases such as type 2 diabetes and other metabolic complications. Another important factor is the circadian rhythm, the body's natural 24-hour biological cycle, which regulates essential functions such as sleep, hormone release, and metabolism. The human body has a biological clock that responds to environmental signals, such as light and darkness, adjusting metabolism according to the time of day. At night, melatonin production increases, signaling that it's time to rest. When we eat close to bedtime, the body receives conflicting signals, since the digestive process demands energy and can interfere with the rest necessary for cellular regeneration. Therefore, reducing food intake at night respects the circadian rhythm, allowing the body to digest efficiently and get the rest necessary for cellular repair. When the body is not overloaded with food at night, it can focus on its natural recovery functions, helping to maintain hormonal balance and promoting good sleep quality. Furthermore, scientific research has shown that calorie restriction, especially at night, is associated with a number of health benefits. Studies conducted on animals indicate that reducing nighttime eating can increase life expectancy, slow cellular aging, and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Although most of these studies have been conducted on animals, many researchers believe that these findings may be applicable to humans as well. Studies on intermittent fasting, for example, indicate that when calorie intake is restricted during specific periods of the day, the body activates cellular repair mechanisms, such as autophagy, a process in which cells clean up their damaged parts and recycle them. This process is crucial for maintaining cellular health and can reduce inflammation in the body, which is directly related to several chronic diseases, such as heart disease, diabetes, and even certain types of cancer. Reducing food consumption at night also has a positive impact on weight control. When you eat less at night, the body has more time to use stored energy, which helps burn fat during sleep. Conversely, eating too much at night can cause the body to store more calories as fat, since the metabolism is slower. Furthermore, excessive nighttime digestion can lead to bloating and discomfort, interfering with sleep quality and cellular regeneration. Therefore, eating less at night is not just a matter of controlling calorie intake, but also of aligning eating habits with the body's natural functioning. This promotes efficient digestion, improves rest, reduces the risk of chronic diseases, and ultimately can contribute to a longer and healthier life. Eating less at night brings a number of health benefits and can increase longevity. One of the first benefits is weight control. Overeating at night reduces the body's time to process food, resulting in fat accumulation, mainly in the abdominal region. This accumulation can cause problems such as type 2 diabetes, heart disease, and hypertension. By eating less at night, we avoid excess calories, promoting a healthy energy balance and preventing weight gain. Reducing calorie intake also helps improve metabolism and insulin production, which, when in excess, can lead to insulin resistance, a precursor to type 2 diabetes. Eating a balanced diet at night can lower levels of bad cholesterol, LDL, and increase good cholesterol, HDL, which helps prevent heart disease, one of the world's leading health problems. Eating less at night also promotes better digestion and gastrointestinal health. Heavy or fatty foods can cause reflux, indigestion, and even problems like irritable bowel syndrome. Eating lighter meals gives the digestive system the necessary time for more efficient digestion, and also strengthens the immune system, as the body can focus on repair and defense while sleeping. Furthermore, eating less at night reduces inflammation and oxidative stress, key factors in cellular aging and chronic diseases such as arthritis, heart disease, and cancer. Eating less at night also increases melatonin production, improving sleep quality and promoting deeper, more regenerative rest. Studies show that calorie restriction, especially at night, can increase longevity, slow cellular aging, and reduce the risk of degenerative diseases such as Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. Eating less at night also reduces premature aging of the skin and internal organs. The circadian rhythm is the body's biological clock and regulates essential functions such as sleep, hormone production, and metabolism. During the day, metabolism is accelerated to process food and generate energy, while at night, the body slows down to perform cellular repairs. Eating late at night interferes with this natural process. The body spends energy on digestion instead of focusing on cellular regeneration, which impairs melatonin production, the sleep hormone, and affects the quality of rest. By eating less at night, you respect your circadian rhythm, allowing your body to produce melatonin more efficiently, promoting deeper and more restorative sleep. Furthermore, reducing nighttime eating allows the body to focus on natural cellular regeneration processes, such as autophagy, which helps cleanse damaged cells and prevents age-related diseases. Eating lighter at night also helps regulate hormones, such as cortisol the stress hormone, which tends to be higher during the day. Eating less at night keeps these hormones balanced, promoting more restful sleep and helping control stress and improve metabolic health. Eating less at night helps stabilize the circadian rhythm, providing more efficient rest and greater longevity. Over time, this practice improves cellular function, reduces inflammation, and lowers the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease and diabetes. Implementing the habit of eating less at night can be simple with a few practical strategies. The first thing to do is establish a fixed time for dinner, preferably by 7 or 8 p.m., to give the body enough time to digest before bed. This helps respect the circadian rhythm and improves sleep quality. Opt for light, easily digestible meals such as soups, salads, and lean proteins. Avoid heavy, fatty foods or refined carbohydrates, which can affect digestion and metabolism. Avoiding nighttime snacks is also crucial, as they accumulate extra calories and affect nighttime metabolism. If you feel hungry before bed, prefer to drink water or herbal tea, such as chamomile, which has a calming effect and does not interfere with digestion. Practice mindful eating, that is, pay attention to your body's satiety signals to avoid overeating. Also avoid caffeinated or alcoholic beverages at night, as these substances can affect sleep. Start gradually reducing the amount of food consumed at night and replace it with lighter options until this habit becomes natural. This simple change will help improve digestion, sleep quality, and, over time, longevity and overall health. Debunking some common myths about eating at night is fundamental to understanding the truth behind this habit. Myth number 1: eating at night makes you gain more weight. The truth is that what matters is the amount of calories consumed, not the time. Eating at night can make digestion more difficult, but weight gain is due to excess calories, regardless of the time. Myth number 2: eating at night always causes indigestion. In fact, this happens when we eat heavy foods. If the meal is light, nighttime digestion is not a problem. Myth number 3: eating little at night will generate hunger in the early morning. The body adapts to the new pattern and, over time, nighttime hunger decreases. Myth number 4: eating at night does not affect the circadian cycle. Eating late at night interferes with the circadian rhythm, impairing melatonin production and sleep quality. Myth number 5: eating at night only affects sleep in people with digestive problems. In fact, anyone can be affected by excessive digestion during the night. Myth number 6: the body can adapt to eating heavy meals at night. Although the body gets used to it, the long-term negative effects, such as weight gain and metabolic problems, can be harmful. Adopting the habit of eating less at night can generate positive results in the short and long term. The impact on sleep quality is immediate. By avoiding heavy meals, the body can focus on cellular regeneration, promoting deep and restorative sleep. Eating less at night also helps reduce abdominal bloating and improves weight control, preventing the accumulation of excess calories. Reducing nighttime eating increases energy during the day, as the body has more time to rest and process food more efficiently. This also decreases the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and hypertension by improving metabolism and controlling weight. Another benefit is the strengthening of the immune system. Eating less at night gives the body more time to focus on detoxification and cellular repair while you sleep, improving the immune response and making the body more efficient at fighting disease. Eating less at night is a simple but powerful change for health and longevity. Respecting the body's natural rhythms and avoiding large meals at night brings benefits such as weight control, better digestion, restorative sleep, and a strengthened immune system. Implementing this habit will improve not only physical health, but also emotional well-being, with a positive impact on sleep quality and reduced long-term risks. The key to a healthy life is balance, and eating less at night is an effective way to promote that balance. Now that you understand the benefits, you're ready to adopt this healthy habit. Start making small changes to your eating routine and observe the results. Remember, your health and longevity begin with conscious choices. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video with more tips for a healthier and more balanced life. Until next time,